Do you think you can do much better in your life by following certain good habits? Do you wish to let go of certain unhealthy habits in your life? And how many times you tried, you fail in doing both of this? Do watch this video till the end to know more about habits and how to break your bad habits and how to create good habits to create a better version of yourself. This is Ranjini from Aathmik Yoga. Let's get started on our day 16 of the 21-day free online yoga workshop Transform 2023. If you are a beginner here, please do check out our previous videos by clicking the link in the description box below. Let's get started on our day 16, Habits, the programmer of your life. Remember, habits are the basement for the program of your mind, and this program is nothing but your karma. From yesterday's karma video, we knew that we are programmed beings. That is the reason, even after knowing that waking up early is good, exercising or yoga is good, or eating healthy is good for our physical and emotional health, still we fail to follow these good habits. Rather, we keep following the old unhealthy bad habits, which is not helping us to heal our body or to become the better version of ourselves. The karma is making us addicted to these habits. The habit of doing wrong things or unhealthy things, say watching mobile in your bedtime, is programmed in our mind. Just by knowing that the habit is wrong, we cannot let go of the habit. We cannot reprogram of our mind. We are programmed in a certain way for years from our childhood, and these programs, I call it as karma. When we are programmed with good thoughts and good actions, we have good physical and emotional health. Whereas it is reversed, we suffer from the negative effects based on our own actions. So how to reprogram our mind? Science says it takes 21 to 90 days to build a new habit or to let go of an old habit. I have spoken a lot about the habit cycle in my previous chakra cleansing workshop. My previous students will remember that. But here in this video, I am not going to talk much science about the habit cycle. Rather, I am going to give foolproof techniques which will help you to let go of the bad habits and to create good habits to create a better version of yourself. The first step is to decide realistic habits. Try to list down 6 realistic habits and write it in a notebook. What do you mean by realistic habits? Say if you are waking up by 7 a.m. and if you suddenly wish to wake up in the Brahma Muhurta, it will be unrealistic goal. So try to wake up few minutes before, say 6:50 a.m. or 6:40 a.m. or to the maximum 6:30 a.m. That can be a realistic habit which you can try to incorporate into your lifestyle. Out of these 6 realistic habits, try to achieve at least 4 by the end of each day. This is the first step. The second step is to take baby steps towards your habit. Try to keep your habits easy by breaking down into micro habits. Say for example, if you wish to start meditating, if you wish to incorporate the habit of meditation in your lifestyle, try to meditate at least for 1 minute a day. This is a baby step. By doing this 1 minute a day consistently, you will be able to incorporate the habit of meditation, and slowly and gradually you can increase the time duration to 20 to 30 minutes in 6 to 8 months of duration, depending upon your commitment and willpower level. The third step is to keep your goals obvious to yourself. You can either write it on your notebook and read it whenever you find time. This is called journaling. I'll talk about journaling later in my other videos. Or you can create a vision board where you can try to make a visualized representation of your habits, and you can keep it as a wallpaper on your mobile phone or your laptop, or you can keep it sticked on the wall where you can see it frequently. This way you will be remembering about your habits frequently, which will help you to program your mind easily. The fourth step is affirmation. Many of you would have heard about affirmation. Affirmation is a separate topic in our 21-day yoga challenge. I'll be talking about this in the next 1 or 2 days. Affirm your habits either early morning as soon as you wake up or before your bedtime, when your subconscious mind is active. Affirmation is one of the best ways to reprogram your subconscious mind or to reprogram your karma. Our fifth step is our day 0 task. Go to the fear by vision task and try to watch the video frequently. Try to motivate yourself with your fear. This motivation will help you to go towards your habit goals. When your habits are realistic and your habits are easy to follow, the micro habits, and when you keep seeing or keep affirming about your habits, and if you have the motivation within yourself by through your fear or through your willpower, you will be able to let go of the bad habits and create good habits in your life. So these are the 5 simple tips that can be followed to reprogram your mind. Start reprogramming your mind, reprogramming your karma, and change your future. I hope this helps you to understand about habits and how to create them and how to let go of them. Do subscribe to our Aathmik Yoga channel to get more interesting videos like this, and press the bell icon to get instantly notified whenever we post a new video. Do follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the link in the description box below. You can join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your health, fitness and diet related queries with me directly. Do share this video with your friends and family to show them that you care for them. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Nandri, Vanakkam.